Hi guys, this is the Python series part 9. We have completed arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators and the identity operators. Now let's discuss the assignment operators. What is the usage of assignment operators? Assignment operators are used to assign the data or value or information to variable. So these all belongs to assignment operators. Equal to, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiplication and assign, division and assign, modulo and assign, floor division and assign, exponent and assign, bitwise and assign, bitwise or and assign, bitwise exclusive or and assign, bitwise right shift and assign, bitwise left shift and assign. Here x is equal to 5. So this equal is used to store this 5 to this x variable. Okay. Here I have used the arithmetic operator and assignment operator. So addition of x and 3. So x holds 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 will be stored inside the x variable. Okay. We can write this statement instead of this one. Here x plus equal 3 means x is equal to x plus 3. Okay. So let's see this example. Then only you will be clear. Here 10 is the value for x variable. Here x plus 10 returns what? 10 plus 10, 20. That 20 will be stored inside the x variable. In this statement, I have used the arithmetic operator and assignment operator. Here we have add and assign operator, isn't it? So here what happens? X value will be added with 10 and the result will be stored inside the x variable. Okay, like the previous one. So this statement is same as this one. Okay, let me execute this one. Here using arithmetic operator we got 20. Here add and assign operator we got 20. So we can write this statement instead of this statement. Okay, we have completed the assignment operators. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.